Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add gradients to your design in Snappa. First of all, start by logging into your Snappa account. Now open up a design. I'm just going to use a template from here. After that, go to the Backgrounds tab in Snappa. Use the search bar and search for terms like gradient or color gradient. Choose from the pre-made gradient background images available. Once you choose the gradient background, you can adjust its size. Click on Reposition, and you can see that the size has been adjusted from here. You can also flip it horizontally and vertically. While Snappa doesn't have a built-in gradient tool, this method should help you achieve the desired gradient effect for your design. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.